goes! This!
Damn it!
Try this! Like this! Here goes!
Damn it!
Try this! Try this!
Give me all you got. Come on, Goku. Is that the best you can do?
You're as strong as ever, Piccolo. Not bad, Piccolo. I'm impressed. I'm guessing that I haven't been training hard enough.
Do you think this is some sort of game?
What? No way! I know it's not a game.
Give me all you got. What? Damn it!
My power!
Give me all you got. Damn it!
Going that far.
Dad! Over here!
Hey! Let's try to find one more.
Leave it to me.
Gohan looks like he's having a blast. Hey now! Don't go wandering too far!
Dad! Over here! Over here!
Wow, Gohan! You're a regular bloodhound. All right, this ought to be enough. Oh yeah, thanks for finding me. I get it. And I don't blame you. Hang in there.